Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. So as you see here that the weekly candle finished here, and look how many weeks it took to go back from that FTX collapse. As you see it here, that one here, that candle of FTX collapse, and that the back where we used to be here to that level where we used to be here. Now we are above it, so I think picture is very clear. So how many weeks it took? It took 9 weeks to go back where we used to be here. So that's something very good. And here in the weekly, if you remember what else we said, when that FTX collapse here, we used to have here a triangle, and the triangle we make it like that. And in the place where it's getting broke, we make it like that. We said it's going to go down till 12k, 13k. But here it shows us we are wrong here. As you see, it was done here. So what should we do now? We should wait in what's going to happen. If we are going to break here again or no. And here in the weekly, what we got, let me show you all those things. Here in the weekly, we got here that wage here. So I showed it to you before. Till now, also we are very close to it. And I got something else I showed it to you before, but it's okay to repeat it. If you remember that one, I've been talking with you about it. I told you the Bitcoin, historically, it's been spending 52 weeks falling down and 151 candles going up, and that's what's happening here. So also we came here from the last falling down here where it started here, and we calculating 52 bars, and it gave us exactly from down here to enter. As you see it is going up. Now us here we still below than that trend line here. Let's wait in the next week if we are going to break it up or no. And we are below in the 200 moving average. That's something not good, that bad. But the good news, we came back to that place here where we're falling down, as you see it here. I think everything is too clear here. It's our indicators what they're saying. Even that one I showed it to you before. I told you when it enter to the overbought area, it's high chance it's going to reverse, and that's what's happening here. I think everything is too clear here. Now it's going to see the coming news for tomorrow. So it's going there. As you see here that the coming news for tomorrow or today, let's make it like that. So as you see, all the day tomorrow is going to be a holiday in USA. It's going to be that Martin Luther King Day in USA. So there is no trading tomorrow. So you will see the market still flat how we spent yesterday and today. So the market is going to be very flat, no volatility. Plus we got here those ones if you trade in Forex. Us here, we are not focused here about Forex. Plus here, the table of us. Plus we're looking at it every time. That one here. What it's telling us. Look at it. All your stocks, they closing the week green. That's something very good. And tomorrow I'm going to analyze it for you. So if you are a stock trader waiting for our video for tomorrow. And here, that's our friend. Also, we're looking at it every day. What it's telling us, the VIX, guys, is below 20. It's below 20. Also, we are 18.35. Stock traders, go ahead and start buying stocks now. You bottom. I am in the stock market. Just check my account today. I am 111% profit. So even you go ahead and do it. And I'm when that month finishes, I'm going to explain to you how to deposit. Start depositing slowly by slowly. So make sure to watch when I'm going to put that video. And here the dollar index. What it's telling us, it's falling down. Is it 101? Now it's going back to the chart to see what is coming tomorrow for in the daily. So it's going there. Here we are in the daily. Here in the daily, same thing. As you see here, it gives us here that red candle. And it tried to give us here like an inside bar. If you look in here with me, even if we zoom in like that, let's zoom it together like that. If you came to the top of that candle here, the green one here, and the lower of it here, you see that red candle, it's being inside that one. And that one is very easy how to trade it. You wait in the market either to break up or either to come down, to break down, or for you to make a decision that for medium term. And where we are now, we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone as you see it. Also we enter from down here. Look how many profit we make here in the Bitcoin. Should we enter short now? Because also we are here, technically we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Now my friend, you don't need to enter short because you don't have any price action here. Price action, it need to wait a little bit till the right time for you to enter. Till now there is nothing here. You need to wait in a little bit. And let's go in to see the options for that week to get a clear picture what the market is going to do all the week. So let's go in there. Here we are. As you see, if you look in here with me here in that zone here, the coming Friday is going to be 20 of month 1, 2023. So I think everything is too clear here. So let's see where is the majority of the strikes and the pots. So let's start by the pots here. Pots here 17k. There is no calls. 17,500. There is no calls or there is 3. Here at 18k. There is no calls. Here 18,500 there is calls, so also we will stick only here with 18k as you see it. You focus it with me here, what you look in here, the pots here trading volume is 57 Bitcoin, but the calls here is only 0.4. So the pots, that's when people they want to buy, because in options the pot, the bulls and the calls, they are the bears. It's different, and every one of them there is buying and selling. That's another story. I don't want to enter in it here. So as you see here, those people here, they're thinking Bitcoin, it will not fall down below 18k. That's the view of them. And let's see where is the calls. A lot. 19k, there is nothing. That's inside the money now. 20k, even 20k, is it inside the money? 21 inside the money. Is it here? Where is only the calls here? Is it at 22k, guys? As you see it here. If you look in here, the calls is 235 Bitcoin. The pot is only 0.1. That means those people here, they believe in the Bitcoin, it will not go higher than 22k. So that the view of them is going back now to the chart. We do it together there. So here in the chart, last time them is getting to them here a big liquidation. Now we will do it here at 22k. There it is, 22k. Down one where they said 18k. So that the view of those people, they saying the Bitcoin it will not break all the week here 22k, and it will not break below here 18k. That's when the Bitcoin is going to stay here. And that personally my view, me I told you is going to make a correction maybe here to touch the 200 moving average, because that just that break here, it doesn't mean we are breaking. It needs to come back to touch here, that supply and demand zone here, that one here. That's why I told you maybe it's going to come to touch here the 200 moving average, and that is going to be the right time for the people they haven't entered to enter again, because we are very close to break the trend line here. But that one is just a view. Maybe you will not see it doing that correction here. Maybe from that level it's going to go up and to break the 200 moving average, because now everything is it at the overbought. It needs to go out. After that, it will going up. Everything is too clear here. Now it's going to the 4 hours to see what is it there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, he tried to give us here like a peanut like that. As you see it, people, they been with us for some time. They know that pattern. And that one is a continuation pattern. It's indicating that the market is going to go more higher. That's the view. So let's wait. It was going to come in the coming days. Till now, we don't got any price action here indicating for us we need to enter short. So we need to wait on what's going to happen. Let's go now to see our indicators, what they're saying. Our indicator, as you see it, the momentum is getting slower now. And me I tell it to you, it needs to come out here. Maybe it's going to come till it will touch in here. Not uptrend here. Then after that, it will continue it upward. That's why me I told you there is a correction coming, but we don't know exactly when. So that's why me I told you, make sure to watch all our videos. So when is it the right time you're going to get exactly. Now it's going to see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, as you see it, is enter here to the overbought area. So technically now also we need to look in for a short position or a short opportunity, because look at it, you are here in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Last time from here it fell down, but last time here also we enter here because we used to have here a divergence and the price action here. That's why also we enter short. We enter when that FTX collapse, we enter tail down here, and people they begin with us, they remember all that signals. Now here we don't got any price action yet, because me I saw some other channels, they try to make people scared. It is a trap, is a blah 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 blah. Did you see any price action here? It's telling you the market is going to reverse? No. If you don't watch the last video, go and watch it, because the last video will tell you what was the view of us to the market. There is no price action here indicating the market is going to reverse. Also here, when it's breaking here, we tell you it's going to fall down before even FTX collapse, and we enter tail down here. Now there is no price action here telling us the market is going to reverse. Yes, before we used to have here the cup and handle. When it's breaking here, it bring us exactly the take profit, and I show you even that one. Bring it here exactly. Now we don't got any price action here indicating the market is going to reverse. The market before it reverse, it need to spend some time here till it will give us a pattern. That's how the market is working. The market doesn't work going up, falling down. It needs to give you here a price action. Because if you know the market structure, you will not say those things to the people they follow you. Look what the market doing. It fall down. Here, it's been resting all that time. Now it's going up. Now, either it's going to rest here, then after that it's going to fall down, or it's going to rest, then after that it will go up. That's how is the market is working. There is no market is working like that, going up or falling down. That's another story. Now it's going to 30 minutes to see what is it there for picture to get more clear to you. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, look with me here. You got here a symmetric triangle like that. Very clear like that. Now that one, because today is Monday, you're going to see a correction happening down. If you want to enter short, you can enter short from here. If it's breaking down here, you enter short. So that one, the first scenario. Second scenario, it will just come here. Then after that, it will go up. But being my advice to you, if it's breaking down here, enter short. You don't need to get scared. The only thing, if you enter, put stop loss above here to be always safe. I'm talking here about scalpers and day traders. Let's see why. Why you should enter short if it's breaking the lower of that symmetric triangle. Look at it, because you be in here long at the overbought area. So if it's breaking down, you can enter short. Another thing you got there, let me show it to you. I show you even that one in yesterday video. I show you got here a divergence like that. Same thing now you got a big divergence here. And even now here you got a divergence here as you see it. So if it came down here and breaking the lower here, you can enter short. If it came upward and breaking up, that means it's going to break here that weekly wage as you see it where I got it me. And that's something very, very, very good. I'm going to come back to you after European market guys. So see you after European market close. Bye for now.